Hi there, my name is Klemen, and in this short video I want to share with you some practical tips and advice how to get the best use out of your Soulvana app and how to use it in your daily life to heal, recharge, rejuvenate, activate your higher potential and really start thriving in all areas of your life. When you open the app, you will see a few sections in the main navigation, and one of them is library. So what is library? So library is basically a collection of spiritual tools from the world's best healers and teachers that you can use instantly on demand whenever you want. And there are a few different types of tools that you can use. For example, Emergence. Emergence are basically guided meditations amplified with the healing power of sound, guided by the world's best spiritual teachers. So these sessions are typically a little bit longer, and they will really help you activate yourself, really connect with yourself, and really bring the best out of yourself. The next type of tool at your disposal is what we call healing chambers, and this idea is actually very cool. Check this out. So the idea is actually very simple. With healing chambers, you can have the world's best healers work on you through time and space to help you resolve a specific energetic challenge or unpleasant emotion like a stress, anxiety, depression. Now, why we believe this tool is so powerful, why healing chambers are so amazing, it's actually very simple. The world's best healers today are very busy because they are very good at what they do, and they are, they're running workshops, running seminars, and really showing up to the world in a big way. Now, the reason for that is, if you wanted to hire a world-class healer for one-on-one sessions, it would usually cost you hundreds of dollars, and you would have to usually wait days or even weeks to get an appointment. But with healing chambers, you can have the world's best healer literally on demand at your fingertips. And again, you will see this library will be populated with more and more assets, and we would love to get your feedback. Now, the third type of the tool available in your library are what we call sonic therapies. Sonic therapies, as you know, leverage the power of sound energy. Sound, we believe that sound is the future of medicine. It's something that really can activate you on a cellular level, help you recalibrate your whole being, your energetic systems, and really help you free yourself from any negative emotions or unpleasant emotions, and really, elevate your whole being. So this is the library section. Now, as I mentioned, these tools are available to you on demand whenever you want. You simply open an app, you select the tool, select the challenge, and press play, and you go. These tools are best used for your daily ritual or evening ritual, or anytime during the day, anytime you want. But the best part of Soulvana app is something we call group emergence, and you will find group emergence in the live section. Group emergence are basically, in simplest term, the world's biggest gatherings of evolved people, of light workers, of people who already vibrate at higher frequency. And these are basically guided group meditations. When hundreds or even thousands of people come together at the same time, we together create a beautiful energy vortex, an energy field, a fountain of youth, if you can imagine it. And when you immerse yourself into this session, when you follow through, when you allow yourself to be guided by these world's best spiritual guides, you will be connecting with your true authentic self much faster. You will be able to connect with everyone else who is joining. You will be able to establish a beautiful, authentic connection with your higher guides, whatever that is to you. It might be a universe, it might be angels, archangels, God, and most importantly, you will be able to really establish a supreme connection with all of humanity and all the sentient beings. What we are really doing in group emergence, of course, we are taking care for each other and for ourselves so we can show up in the world. But at the end of each session, we are sending healing energies and positive intentions and healing intentions to the rest of humanity. Because Soulvana's mission, Soulvana's core mission, the reason why we exist and why we need you here and why we want you here and why we celebrate you here is for us to come together so we can heal, unite, and raise the consciousness of humanity. And we believe that group emergence, mass gatherings of evolved people like you, will help us create that better world, a heaven on earth. So that was a quick overview of the app. Now, as we are going forward, you will see more tools being added to your app. You will see more Emergence coming, more amazing teachers coming, and with one simple purpose, so you can really heal, recharge, and activate your higher potential, and so you can join us and participate on our mission to heal, unite, and raise the consciousness of humanity. I really hope you will enjoy the experience, and we can't wait to get your feedback, your ideas, and how we can make this better. Thank you so much.